Hi there. Today we're focused on the sound S, which is spelled with a C and an E. Remember that through this video you can always stop if you don't understand something or play it again. Here we go. We're going to do some blending. Let's begin and do it with me. Ace, 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 face, ace, place, ace, race. What do these four words have in common? You're right. They all end with the CE to make that S sound. See that? But also, they all have the magic E at the end. So if you notice, we said ace, face, because the magic E makes that sound say its name. Next row, s, e, n, t, scent. S, n, t, scent. S, e, l, cell. S, l, cell. Here we go. This is tricky because these two words sound the very same, but one is spelled with an S, one is spelled with CE. And over here, cell and cell sound exactly the same way, but they're spelled differently. One with the CE, so we said s, l, cell, and here we've got s, l, cell. Last row, s, n, t, center. S, I, n, d, z, cinders. S, k, a, s, circus. And s, n, t, al, central. Now this row is always our tricky one. And if you notice here, when we go to cinders and circus, there's no CE. So C and I can also make that S sound. So instead of K, the C is making the S sound when it's near a CE or the CI. There we go, some tricky ones. Here we have some new words. The first word is ace. The ace is a playing card that looks like this. But there's another meaning for the word ace. A person who is skilled at something, who does really well. So this is Serena Williams, and she is an ace tennis player. Next new word is cinders. Cinders are these black pieces that are left after something such as wood or coal has burned away. These are called cinders. Now it's our riddle game for the last part of what we do. Here's my first riddle. Are you ready? The answers are all from these words. Here's the first one. What is a competition between runners called? A competition between runners. The answer is a race. A race is a competition between runners to see who the fastest one is. Number 2. This is a person who is skilled at something. That's right. It's an ace. You can be an ace musician. You can be an ace speller. You can be an ace tennis player. That's what ace means, one of the meanings. Number 3, this is a unit of money. You're right, cent. We used to have pennies. A penny equaled 1 cent. There we go. Number 4. This means the middle point. You're right. The answer is center. The center is the middle point. And the last one, number 5. I'm going to give it to you in a sentence. After the campfire, the blanks floated in the air. You're right. The answer is cinders. After the campfire, the cinders floated in the air. Great. There we go. That's the end of our session. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.